2 hours south of Puerto Madryn, the Atlantic coast of Patagonia is awash with 1 million Magellanic penguins that congregate each year to mate and feed. A two-tone fizz that has flavours of the land and sea. Collect a Collins glass and carefully paint squid ink onto the side of it. Fill this with cubed ice and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker and add egg white. This will give the cocktail a lovely, rich and creamy texture. Next is a touch of sugar syrup. This is balanced with freshly squeezed lime juice. Cloudy apple juice brings its distinctive sweetness. Drambuie is one of the world's most recognisable liqueurs, made with a blend of Scotch whisky, heather honey, and a secret blend of herbs and spices. Fernet Branca is Argentina's national drink. Such is the country's love of this Italian Amaro that they consume 75% of its global production. Marine botanical vodka is distilled using sustainable and forage Australian ingredients that impart gentle umami into this cocktail. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Fine strain into another cocktail shaker. Shake for 10 seconds without ice to emulsify the egg white. Drain the excess water from the Collins glass. Pour. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.